Where's Barney?
Where's Barney?
Where's Barney?
Where's Barney?
Where's Barney?
Where is Barney?
Where's Barney?
The whereabouts of Barney is the question on a lot of people's lips. Moments ago, police issued a report wondering about his well-being and have grave concerns about where he may be. Police are pleading with the public to come forward with any sightings there may be over the last 24 hours. Talking to the public, it seems people have seen Barney, but no one can give us details on where he is. Here's what they have to say.
Man, I think he was like at work or something.
Oh, I just saw him yesterday actually. He was hanging around.
I have seen Barney. He's actually down Oriental Bay.
Maybe up north. You reckon? Or overseas? Overseas, Australia?
You're asking me? I haven't seen him for ages.
I last saw Barney on a flight from Pakistan.
Well, I've heard rumours about Barney, floating around Wellington.
Fuck, I haven't seen Barney in years.
I last saw Barney at Firecats in Hamilton.
He's doing a few laps, swimming out to that, that fountain thing.
Sort of crops up and...
Yeah, I saw him at that halfway house down Regent Street.
Yeah.
Haven't seen Barney for a while. He's around here somewhere.
So I think maybe Obama should ask him about the old Osama thing.
He was sat in front of some graffiti and he was trying to do his own version, but in the end he just scribbled all over the top of the other one, and I thought it was a bit shit really, but actually in the end it looked quite good.
I haven't found anyone that's really put their finger on the pulse of Barney yet.
If you find him, let me know.
Who really knows? Who's that? That's not Barney.
Trying to ascertain what Barney was wearing has also proven difficult, gathering many mixed reports.
Yeah, I saw him just the other day.
Some black jeans, maybe some black chuckers, maybe some Vans, I'm not sure. He was looking sharp though.
But today he was in Speedos.
No, wait. I saw him topless running around in a Viking hat.
He was wearing a black bandana, cruising around, no shirt on.
It was that flannel shirt.
Yes.
Unbuttoned, like there's two buttons, yeah.
Looking pretty suave.
It's tight white jeans.
Probably dressing up as Pocahontas.
I don't know what he was doing. He was wearing orange pants.
I don't know, jeans and one of those deer hunter hats, with like the long tassely plait things, but he tied them together when he was painting, so...
Just the usual clothes. Yeah.
He was wearing a flight attendant's uniform.
He had a big backpack, like a backpacker, but I think he's just misunderstood a bit, eh?
We can only hope the best for Barney. If you do see him, please log on to where'sbarney.tumblr.com. I'm Kelly Irvin for On the Table News.
So I've got one question for you. Where's Barney?